Welcome to Jigsaw South Africa. Come inside, we're just starting out. Hi, I'm Tim Clifton, Jigsaw ASL Director. Welcome to our offices and warehouse. We'd like to, over the next short video clip, introduce you to the team, show you a little bit of the premises and facilities. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it and look forward to chatting further in the conference.
Hi, I'm Michelle and I deal with the sales and marketing, and I see to all the retailers in the stores we sell per currently.
Welcome to the Jigsaw room. Hi, I'm Nika and I've packed the Katy Perry products.
Hi, I'm Alex. I'm involved in sales and marketing for Jigsaw ASL. It's a great company to work for. We have a lot of fun.
Hi, Cam here. I look after trade and ops. My job is to make sure that the stores get what they deserve, and that's Katy Perry.
Hi, Greg here. I'm the Financial and Commercial Manager for Jigsaw ASL. I oversee the accounting team, take care of the financial reporting requirements, and also some of the commercial aspects, costing and negotiating contracts, etc. It's a really great place to work, fun environment, and this is pretty much where it all happens.
Hi, I'm Todd, Creative Director at Jigsaw ASL. I overlook a lot of the company's creative output, including the recent promotional material for the Katy Perry launch of the fragrance Purr. Okay, here's Nicole, a designer at Jigsaw ASL, working away hard on a project there. Hi, Nick.
Hi. I told you I hate
Oh, so that means it's going to get some good... Let me just introduce you to Lee, who's our PR lady in HD. Well done, Lee.
Is it a new toy?
It is a new toy. HD. I've got to put something together for our sales meeting, introducing the team to everybody when I go over. So. I know, I'm just sort of, it goes on the move. There's Lizzie, who went to see Katie in Dublin with our winner. There's Vicky, absolute ace PR lady. And there's Vicky's mate, Jade. Gate crash.
Don't speak now. I don't know, I thought you were
Come on,
going
Cam. Oh, I'm going to ask you, so I come in and I go, this is Cameron. Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's cool. And there's Alex, by the way, there he is. Alright, I'm going to come back. Okay, guys? Welcome to Jigsaw HQ.
No, Sam's killed it. Sam, man!
What happened there?
Oh, is that a bleeper right there?
Yeah, definitely. Alright, Sam, let's keep putting these guys off, is what we want.
Good.
You're over, yeah.
I'm over
just think how I feel. Look at this cameraman. Jeez. Alex, come on. Look at his chest now. Look at that. Last day of being 20.
You know,
Welcome to Jigsaw HQ.
Hi, I'm Cam. I look after trade and ops. My job is to make sure the stores get what they deserve, and that's Katy Perry.
Here's Alex. There he is.
I'm trying so hard to do this.
Cam, we're running out of battery.
Take 5.
We're running out of battery.
Okay, stop it.